Welcome everybody to the first virtual how-to festival. We're glad to see you here, and today we'll be making a how to make your own slime at home. My name is Miss Remy and this is...
I'm Iridessa, Miss Remy's assistant.
So she'll be helping me make the white slime and I'll be doing a clear slime. So the first things we'll need are the supplies. So the three ingredients that you will need is glue. So I have a clear glue. Iridessa has the white glue. The second ingredient is Stay Flow. What this is a liquid starch that you could buy at any grocery store, Walmart, Target, Amazon, but you will find this in the laundry aisle. The other one would be your food coloring and any additional add-ins. So we have some glitter and then, what do you call this again? Floam beads. And one last thing is water. So let's get started. So, after mixing your slime and you've gotten all the liquids out, you could start using your hand, dig your hand in there. I know it's slimy, but this is where you start to knead. So in our case, our slime was a little bit more runny. So if yours is the same way, just add a little bit more Stay Flow a little bit at a time. And once you mix it in, you're gonna take your hand and just knead it. So you're just gonna stretch it, twist it, let it slide. There it is. How's yours looking?
Mine looks more jiggly and more like ocean-like. It looks really cool.
Yes. Okay, so you're gonna start kneading it a little bit more. You notice how this is super sticky since I didn't knead it, and this one is a little bit more thicker. So the more you play with it, the better it gets. So the next step would be adding your mix in. Go ahead, try to take off as much slime off your hand. And let's add any mix-ins you want. So which one do you want to add on yours?
I want to try to add some blue glitter.
Okay. And I'll add yellow. Put it in there. Let's do some gold. Got it? Alright. I'm just going to press it down. I'm going to fold it in. If you have a bigger mixing bowl, that would work out a lot better. I used a clear one just so that you can see what it looks like. But once you've mixed in all your confetti and all your, I call them pom-pom balls, but what are they called again? Foam balls. Okay. Foam beads. So this is what it looks like.
Super cool.
Oh, I have like a galaxy.
Mine is more of an ocean. Or an ocean slime.
Alrighty. That was fun, right?
Yeah, super fun.
Okay. So I hope you enjoyed making your slime. A little few tips before we end. So if you have your slime, make sure to put it in some kind of container that has a lid so you could reuse your slime and keep it nice and soft. Whenever you are ready to use it, just go ahead and start kneading it again if it does get hard. And another tip, for parents especially, if you ever get your slime stuck on a carpet or clothes or your couch, you can simply use a little bit of vinegar and just scrub it off or some Dawn soap or dish soap. You could use that and just keep scrubbing it away. All right, hope you guys enjoyed the DIY how to make your own slime. I hope you're having fun watching other videos for the how-to video. My name is Miss Remy, and
You're Dessa.
have a good day.
Bye.